Hey guys, so it seemed like it cut me off earlier in the video, so this is part two to finish this particular problem. And I think where we were was trying to find the y-intercept. So to find the y-intercept, it's just a matter of plugging in 0 for x and solving for y. So we had f of x equals 9 times x minus 13 over 9 squared minus 196 over 9. So to find your y-intercept, you simply just plug in 0 for x and solve. So we had 0 minus 13 over 9 squared minus 196 over 9. So then we are left with 9 times negative 13 over 9 squared minus 196 over 9. So negative 13 over 9 squared is, where's my notes? Oh, there we go. Is 169 over 81. Minus 196 over 9. Now we multiply the 9 into the numerator up here, so that makes it 1,521 over 81 minus 196 over 9, which actually the 1,521 over 81 can be reduced down to 169 over 9. So 169 over 9 minus 196 over 9, which leaves us with negative 27 over 9, which equals negative 3. So that's how we got our y-intercept of negative 3. Now we're supposed to sketch the graph. So we know the vertex. The vertex was at negative 13 over 9 and negative 196 over 9. So we know that it's going to be somewhere below here. We know that the graph opens up, so that eliminates C and D, and we're left with A and B. So now we know the vertex, the x value for the vertex is going to be positive, so it's going to be on the right hand side of the y-axis, and so that's why we chose A. So now for the domain and range. The domain is all x values, and you can see just based on the graph that it can go off to a negative infinity and off to positive infinity. We have no idea where this graph is going to go, and so that's why the domain is just negative infinity to infinity. The range, though, is a little bit different, because the range, obviously, it's your y values, and it's not going to go down any farther than your where your vertex is. So your range is simply your k value of your vertex, so it was negative 196 over 9, up to infinity, because the graph can go off to positive infinity. We don't know where it's going to go. And the reason that we use a bracket here to represent that negative 196 over 9 is actually included, because that point will be included in our range, because it's a point that is being utilized. It's going through that point, so it is being represented with a bracket. And that's it. That's all there is to this one. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out.